Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 30th of June 2026. Welcome to the garden. Now I'm here inside my greenhouse. I have few indeterminate tomatoes planted inside the greenhouse here, and they have grown so tall. They have reached the top of the greenhouse. In this video I want to see if I can make some room for the plants to grow further. Indeterminate tomatoes can grow up to 20 feet tall. I've learned something from watching other people's video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to harvest these tomatoes. I want to see if I can lower this main stem down to the ground so that I can make room for the plant to grow further. Now I have 3 plants in this raised bed here inside the greenhouse. Now, mashallah, this tomato plant has produced a lot of tomatoes for me. And they're looking nice and red for me to harvest them. Not all of them, but I'm going to harvest them anyway. And see if I could lower this stem down by about 2 or 3 feet, allow the plant to grow taller, to produce more fruits for me. These are cherry tomatoes, different varieties, and I have a plum tomato back there. So this tomato is looking very beautiful, I must say. This is the moneymaker variety, and it has produced a lot of tomatoes. Wow. Not all of them has riped, but that's okay. I can make tanga shira with this or put them in my salad. Wow, fantastic. I'm doing this for the first time. I'm going to unclip the vine holder. Okay. The greenhouse gets so hot so quickly. I'm already sweating. I try not to stay in here for too long. If the outside temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, inside the greenhouse it feels more like 35 degrees Celsius. That's it. Okay. Let's take all the clips off. Okay, so I have to somehow lower the plant without breaking the stem. This is very tricky. I'm doing this for the first time, so bear with me. Okay. Okay, not bad. Not bad. So I'm going to put a clip here. That's a sucker. I'm going to remove that. So I'm taking some of the leaves off. Now let me show you what I've done. So this stem you're looking at was nice and straight, and the top of the stem did reach the ceiling of the greenhouse. What I've done was I've taken the clips off, was holding onto the bamboo cane, and I bent the stem to one side to lower the top of the stem, so that creating about 3 to 4 feet on the top. So now the top of the stem is here, and I could go another 4 foot. So the plant can produce more tomatoes for me. So this is quite a clever way of increasing the height of your tomato plant. Indeterminate tomatoes can grow up to about 20 feet tall. We home growers, we don't have the luxury of having very tall greenhouses. So this is a brilliant way of lowering your tomato stem and then allowing more room for the tomato to grow. And indeterminate tomatoes, they can actually produce until October, November if you allow them to grow. Getting plenty of bottle gourd. These are the beefsteak tomatoes, and don't they look beautiful? They're really good for borta salsa. Wow. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Oh, the smell of fresh tomatoes from the plant is extraordinary. I like that smell, freshness. I'm going to have a nice borta, with spicy borta, with lots of baked dry chilies. Break them onto your tomatoes and add some red onion, and they would taste amazingly nice. Wow, beautiful plum tomatoes. In this one, I'm just taking off the red tomatoes and leave the green ones. Wow, beautiful. I really hope you learned something from this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to have to try this tomatoes. Delicious.